Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. With what I've said in the last video, I'll be working on Frustum and Prism on this video. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, kindly press your subscribe button. I don't have much to say here now. I think let me try to show what I mean by what. This is a very good example of what Frustum. Can you see? I have a cylinder. Let me quickly explain it very well. I have a cylinder, this is a cylinder, and this is a cone. Joining them together become a what? Frustum. Now, cut off. Can you see? It's been cut off. It's been cut off. Now, that is what? Frustum. That is a frustum. Now, but for your information, this is a prism, and this is a prism. There are two prism here. There are two prism here. Prism 1, prism 2. That's just it. Now, but in the area of in the pyramid also, you can also have frustum in the pyramid. Now, when you are talking about pyramid can be, you can have the whole pyramid like this. Sorry, permit me to draw here because I don't have the stuff here, but let me try to improvise. I will improvise if possible. Now, sorry, I'm just trying to make things to be easy for myself. Now, sorry. Now, this is a very good example of what pyramid frustum. Now, can you see it's cut off? It's being cut off here. Now, since it's cut off here, it's a triangular, it's a pyramid prism. Now, it's a pyramid frustum. Pyramid, this is a pyramid because the whole shape is a pyramid. Now, as far as cut off here, is the what? Becoming what? Frustum of the what? Pyramid. Please, can you get what I'm trying to understand? You are trying to understand. The whole shape is a pyramid, and the cutoff of the eight becoming what? Pyramid frustum. Now, which is what? This one can be what? Cylinder and cone frustum. Take note of that. And if I have another cylinder here that make this thing to be what? Or the whole shape become what? Frustum. But this can be referred as a bucket. This is a bucket, or you can call it bucket. Or if I have another cylinder on it, another cone on it, make it a full, become a what? Frustum. Take note of those things that I'm trying to explain. Let me try to show example that will make us to understand frustum and prism. Now, look at it, just that. Okay, permit me to rub it. Let me just, I think with this explanation and example, you'll be very good to go. Now, look at this problem. Okay, look at this question. It's a very good example of what I'm saying now. Find the volume of the frustum. Can you see a word frustum? Frustum is written here of the square pyramid. Now, square pyramid, you know what is called square pyramid? Okay, it's in the lab already. Now, square pyramid with 30 centimeters square top and 50 centimeter square base and height of 20 centimeter. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. Now, since you know that is a pyramid, it means it will come this way. Please, it's a square. It must be equal. That's what I'm trying to explain there. It must be equal. Now, is a square, please take note of that. It must be equal. I'm just trying to improvise. Now, it means here we join this. Here we join this. Here we join this. Here we join this. Can you see? That is sorry, it's a square. Take note of that. I didn't draw it very well, but help me to manage it. It's a square. It means here is equals to here equals to what? Here. Take note of that. Equals to here. It's a square because everything must be equal. This also will be equals to this, equals to this, equals to this. Now, it's a pyramid which the point, which is the vertices, will be somewhere here. Because it's a vertices. Now, can you see? This is a cutoff. Now, you now say that as a square base, as a square pyramid with a 30 centimeter top, it means here is 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Now, that is also what is given, and 50 centimeter base. 50, it means here is 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. Now, that is what we are trying to say. Please take note of this. I'm just trying to illustrate so that better illustration can be given. And since I know that, he now said that with the height and the height is what? It means the height will be at the center here, at the center here. It is called 20 centimeter. Now, 20 centimeter. It can form here and it can also form here. If from here to here is 30, from here to here will be what? 15 centimeter. From here to here will be 25 centimeter. It means half of it. Now, I think the question is half solved now. What else? You are asked to find the volume. You are asked to find volume. Now, from here, which is the height, I will call it X. I don't know it. Yet, I don't know it. And now, I will now go to what is called similar triangle. Similar triangle. Now, which you all know that will be equals to, in the similar triangle, we'll be talking about x divided by x plus 20 will be equals to 15 divided by 25. 15 divided by 25. By so doing this, I'll be having, when we cross multiply, now it will be equals to 25x equals to 15 bracket of x plus 20. Now, here will be 25x equals to 15x plus times 2, that will be 300. Now, that will be 300. If I collect like times, it will be 25x minus 15x equals to 300, which I will be having 10x equals to 300. My x will be equals to 30 centimeter. It means the height will be 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Now, since I know that with the help of similar triangle, hope I'm making sense. Yes. Now, I will now move on to the volume of the whole pyramid. The volume of the whole volume. Now, it means volume of entire. Let me use the word entire pyramid. Now, it will be equals to 1/3 of base area multiplied by what? Height. Now, what is my base area? My base area is 30 times 30. It means 1 all over 3. Oh, sorry. Of base area multiplied by of the entire. That will be what? 30. 1 all over 3 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 50 multiplied by the height will be equals to the old height. Don't worry. Sorry. Height will be equals to my 8 height, which is from here to here, will be equals to x plus 20, which is 30 plus 20, which is equals to 50. Now, it will be multiplied by what? Another 50. Now, which I'll be having, with that, I'll be having, hope I'm not making any mistake. Now, 5 times 5 times 5, which is what we want 125, 1/3 of 125,000 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the what? Of the whole pyramid. Now, I will now move on to volume of what? Top. Or volume of the upper pyramid. Now, volume of top pyramid will be equals to 1/3 of what? Base area multiplied by what? Height. Now, which I'll be having 1/3. This is 1/3. Now, it means I'll be equals to 1 over 3 of base area will be equals to 30 times 30 times what? Which is x is 30 also, height is 30. Now, which I'll be having 3 times 3 times 3, it will be 27,000 centimeter cube, 1/3. Now, centimeter cube. Now, this is 1/3. I want to look for the, now, I think I'm making sense. Now, I want to find the volume of the frustum now. Volume of the what? Frustum will be equals to, volume of the frustum will be equals to volume of the first one, which is the what? The entire volume of entire plus volume of the top. Now, which is my volume of frustum will be equals to, which is I'll be having 1/3 of 125,000 plus 1/3 27,000. They are all in centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Please, the unit is as important as anything. Make sure you put the volume. I mean the unit, which is the volume. The volume will be equals to 1/3 of 25,000 plus 27,000 centimeter cube. Now, which I'll be having 25 and 27, it will be equals to, no, okay, hope I'm not making anything. Volume of a frustum. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Volume of a frustum, not mine, it will be minus. It will be minus, sorry. Minus. The volume of a frustum will be minus, which is this is the frustum we are talking about. Now, I think I'll be having, hope I'm not making any mistake. Now, it will be 1/3 of 98,000 centimeter cube, which I'll be cut into two. That will be 32,666.7 centimeter cube. That is the volume. That is the volume. Now, can you see what is called frustum? That is what is called frustum. Now, don't forget, this is a very good example of frustum, but this is a cylindrical form of frustum. Okay, and let me try to show example on the other one, which is, we always hear frustum. This is a frustum on pyramid, and we have another frustum on what? On cone. Now, permit me to show that one for better, so that our video will be very comprehensive. It will be very, very comprehensive. You are worthy. You are worthy. Now, okay. Now, okay. Look at this question also that will really help us to iron that area. Now, look at this question. It's a very good question. A square cone, 24 centimeter height and 18 centimeter diameter at the base is cut off at the half of the height. Calculate the volume of the remaining frustum. Leave pi in your answer. It's a very simple question. This is how it will come on that day. The day you will meet it, that is how it will come. This is a cone. Therefore, you'll be having a cone. This is how cone is being look like. This is a cone, and this is a cone. Can you see this is a very good cone? And it's being cut off. Cut off. Before we move on, the height is what? The height, let me put the height, is 24 centimeter. Now, and diameter, the diameter is what? 18 centimeter. Here is what? Diameter is what? 18 centimeter. Here will be what? From here to here, it will be 18 centimeter. Now, since we have that, and being cut off at half of the of the height, at half of the height. This is the cutoff. Can you see? This is the cutoff. Half of the height. It means at the half, here will be what? 12. And here will be what? 12. That's what he's saying. Now, you are now asked to calculate the volume of the remaining frustum. Leave your answer in centimeter. Now, if I were you, I will first go for the volume of the original. Now, at the volume of the volume of original cone will be 1/3 pi r square h. That is volume of the cone. Now, it means I'll be having 1/3 pi, because you have to leave your answer in pi. Pi is not declared. Multiplied by what? The radius. Radius will be what? Half of this will be what? 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. It means I'll be having 9 squared. Height will be what? 24. Because the whole height will be 24. Now, it means I'll be having 81 pi, here 1, here 6, multiplied by 6. Yes. Yes, that is what I'll be having. Or, I can also leave it as, yes, let me leave it like that, centimeter cube. Now, I will now move on to the volume of the cutoff. Volume of cuts of cone, which it will be, I think I'm talking about this volume now. If I were you, I will have something like this, which is the height. Sorry, this is the height. Now, here, it means when the whole height will now be going to similar triangle, by similar triangle, by similar or similarity of triangle will be equals to 12, because from here to here will be 12 centimeter. divided by what? The R will be equals to 24 divided by what? By 9. 9. Which I can say that here 1, here 2. Now, it means 1 all over R equals to 22 all over 9, which my R, therefore, my R will be equals to 9 all over 2, which is also the same thing as what? My R will be equals to 4 whole number 1 all over 2. Now, centimeter. Now, I now want to find the volume of this particular area. It means the volume of cut off will be equals to 1/3 multiplied by pi and r square h. Now, which I'll be having 1/3. This marker is painting 1/3 pi. My r will now be, I can say that 9 all over 2 square. I don't want to stress myself. And the height will be 12, which I'll be having, hope I'm not making any mistake. The answer is no mistake. Now, 3 here 1, 3 here is 4. And I think I'll be having, this one we cancel this one. I'll be having 81 pi meters centimeter squared. Now, that is the volume of the what? Cutoff. Now, I'm now looking for the volume of the what? Ends. Volume of the frustum will be equals to volume of frustum will be equals to volume of entire, volume of original cone minus volume of cuts off cone, which I will be having. Now it means my frustum will be equals to, now it means I'll be having, here gives me 81 pi multiplied by 6 centimeter cube minus 81 pi centimeter cube. Now, since I have this, I can now say that what? 81 pi bracket of 6 minus 1 centimeter cube, which I just connect right hand and down. It means 81 multiplied by 5 pi centimeter cube, which is 5 times this, it will be equals to 547 centimeter pi. Pi will be here, sorry. Pi centimeter cube. That is the answer. That I think there won't be any problem by so doing this. Hope I'm not making any mistake. The answer is no. Oh, there is a mistake. Oh, sorry. Here will be 8, not 6. I just, thank you. 8, sorry. Here will be 8. Here will be 8. Thank you. That is just 8. And here will be 8 minus 1, which is multiplied by 7. Which is going to be, it's 107. That is going to be the answer. Okay, I'll be stopping here. Can you see what is called frustum, pyramid, and cone? You know, that is just, you need to know. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching Further Solutions Academy.